Hi, this is Doug Risher with Premier Sotheby's International Realty, and recently I shared a video about building a new home in a new community. And one viewer called me to say, hey Doug, I'm only interested in this one specific community, in this one specific school district, and the homes that we're finding there are old and they need updating, and if they are updated, it's just not what I want. So what's the answer? And here it is. We use a special financing program called the Renovation loan. Now these loans allow you to purchase a home in the perfect neighborhood. The home may need some work or some updating. And how it works, you have a licensed Florida contractor give you an estimate of all the changes that you would make to bring the home to your perfect vision. The loan then would be made to you as if the renovation was complete, and the value would be based upon the completion of the renovation. So the main point here is to let you know you do have options when looking for a home, and if you know your ideal neighborhood, there is a way to buy and get the modern home that you're looking for. So for more information on the renovation loan, call or text me 239-825-3696. I'm Doug Risher with Premier Sotheby's International Realty.